Okay, so in the last video, we talked a little bit about, I showed you how to use the protractor. Hopefully you've gone to OneNote, you've looked at the page that has the different angles with the protractor built in for you so that you can look and use the protractor online. Today, we're going to, not today, 5 minutes later, we're going to talk about how to draw an angle. So there's two things that you have to do with your standard. You have to be able to use the protractor to measure angles and then use the protractor to make angles. So if I wanted to make an angle, I would use the protractor, okay? If I want to make, let's say, an acute angle, it's going to be an acute angle, and I want to make it, say, let's do 65 degrees, okay? First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this as a ruler. You can see that this is just a ruler on the bottom, and it's there for that reason. So I'm going to draw a straight line because our lines have to be straight. Okay, there's the bottom of my angle. Now I need to make my angle 65 degrees. So I'm going to put my protractor, just like I would if the angle was already, there. I put it on the edge and I find the 60 degrees. There's the 90, 80, 70. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. I'm sorry. 90, 80, 70, and then the 60. Okay. So the mark at the 60. And then I cannot just draw this down. I mean, sure, that looks kind of straight, but you want it to be exact. So you want to take the protractor's rulers, the ruler of the protractor, and you want to make it straight. That right there is 65 degrees. Okay, let's do one more. Let's say I want to do an obtuse angle, and I want to make it 165. Okay, I'm going to draw my line. Okay, let me make this up, sorry. I'm going to put my protractor, the circle right there on the edge. I'm going to look for 165, okay? So here's 160. 165 is right there. That's hard because, oh, no, that was the wrong way. I'm sorry. 165 is right here. Okay. So now I'm not going to just freehand it. I'm going to use my protractor and I'm going to draw the straight line. That right there is 165 degrees. How you're feeling about it, go back to the OneNote, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, or a thumbs to the side. Thumbs up if you're feeling pretty good about it. Thumbs down if you're like, can't get it. Thumbs to the side if you're feeling like maybe with some practice. And that's what we'll do on Thursday. Have a good night.